Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Shopify using Canva. Selling digital products on Shopify is super easy because there is no shipping, no inventory, and no packaging. You only need your finished digital files, your Shopify store, a clean product images or mockups, and a short and clear product description. Let's get started. So log into your Shopify account and access your store. Go to the products and click on add a product. So for this tutorial, I've already made a few digital products. I have a digital greeting card, a journal, and a book cover. Here's a quick reminder. Before downloading your digital products, always add a watermark to your preview images so people won't steal your design. You can do it on Canva or any photo editor. Just lower the transparency and place your logo or name across the design. Once all your previews look clean and watermarked, you're ready to download everything. Download your preview images, the mockups or sample pages, as PNG or JPG depending on the file type. Then prepare your actual digital file, the one your customer will receive as a PDF, PNG, zip file, or whatever formats your product requires. Make sure your preview images look clean and professional. Now let's go back to the Shopify product section. Go ahead and add your product. Fill in the details. Add your description, something like describing what the product is. Then upload your preview images. Let's go ahead and update our stock and our price. Then lastly, this is the important part, under the shipping section, untoggle the physical product. This will let the customer know that this product is digital and can be downloaded. Then make sure all of the details are correct and not misleading. Once everything is all good, go ahead and click Save. Now let's go to a live preview of our website. Check if your preview images are showing correctly. Is the title clear? Is the description readable? And does everything look clean and simple? Customers will see this exact page when buying your digital product. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.